इनकार तेरा हो आजा 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 आजा।
बड़ी हसीन है जुल्फों की शाम पी लीजिए, हमारे हाथ से 2-4 जाम पी लीजिए, पिलाए जब कोई
Hey guys, so it's day 3 and this is how I look. We're walking towards the place where we'll do our lunch and it's so amazing here. I'll show you the view. The weather here is amazing. I mean, in Delhi it's so hot and here we're moving in like noon time. We're walking under the sun but it doesn't feel so hot and I'm loving it. So we have to cover 2 kilometers more like this. It's like the trekking day today and these people are playing Antakshari, which is like a mandatory thing on trips, so it's kind of fun.
आगे क्या है रोज बता दे।
संजोगी संग लागा टन 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 कबूतर जा 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 कबूतर जा 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 कबूतर जा जा जा। Hey guys, so it's day 3 and today is the wedding day. Wedding day as in, as I told you guys, one of our family friends had their wedding anniversary. So we're gonna celebrate it today in the whole traditional way. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna show you everything what happens. So tomorrow we're gonna be leaving for Delhi. I don't wanna go back, but we are gonna leave for Delhi tomorrow morning. So I will see you soon. Bye. Oh wow, very nice. The candlelight dinner for the couple. Good night.
Good night.
So it's the last day. We're going back to Delhi. So it's kind of a travel day. A lot of hours in the car. So I'll see you guys when I reach Delhi. Bye. Hey guys, so finally I'm at my home and my trip ends. So my vlog ends and this was my first vlog and I was so excited to shoot this and I hope that it edits well and all that. That's it guys for this vlog and I will see you next time in my next video very soon. Until then, you guys take care. I love you guys. Thank you so much.